Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Welcome to your English online class. This is your book of English, New Oxford Modern English Book 3. I hope that all of you are studying well at home and enjoying your English online class. Okay, open the page number 10. We have already read this poem. I hope that you all have read well and also completed writing the words meaning on your copies. Today, first of all, you have to write down the word sentences on your copies as HW, and these are the different words: autumn, might, phrase, spring, and robin. You have to use these words in your own sentences on your notebooks. Okay, after writing the word sentences, then come to the exercise, page number 11. The first question is about answer the following questions. You also have to write these question answers on your notebook. I will send you the picture of these question answers and you have to write down on your notebooks, and I have already discussed these question answers with you in the class. Okay class, now move to the question number 2 on the exercise, which you have these questions you have to note down on your books. Okay, put your pencils in your hand and solve it with me. Say which of the following is true or false about the poem. Robin sang sweetly throughout the year. True. Robin sang with all his might in the winter. It is false. C is Robin says we should all give praise in the spring. False. Robin stopped singing in the cold winter. It is false. So summer comes immediately after autumn. It is also false. Okay. Question number 3 is answer the following questions about these two lines taken from the poem. These are the lines: in the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. You understand these lines, that in the cold and wintry weather, Robin still continues his singing and does not stop. Okay, now you have to use these lines and solve these question answers on your book. Question number A is who is singing? Robin. Robin is singing. Write down Robin. Which word does the word still tell us about the singer? You have to write the answer of part B below the question. The word still describe that the robin never stops singing, whichever the season it might be. Okay. Part C is what reason did the singer give for singing during the winter? The reader says that the poet says that the winter will not last forever, so enjoy it too. Okay, you have to write these answers on the book. Okay, now open up page number 12. Our question number 1 is you have to work with words in this book, in this questions. Okay, write the opposite for these words. You have to write the opposites of these words. Do you know what is the meaning of word opposite? Word opposite का मतलब होता है अल्फाज के उल्टे जवाब. ठीक है, अल्फाज के जो है वो उसके मुतजाद अल्फाज क्या बनते हैं, उसके opposite word क्या बनता है. ठीक है, write the opposite for these words. A word is never. नेवर का मतलब होता है कभी नहीं. ऑलवेज हमेशा. नेवर, द ऑपोजिट ऑफ नेवर इज ऑलवेज. ओके. नो वन, एवरी वन. क्विकली, तेजी से. स्लोली, आहिस्तगी से. सो द ऑपोजिट ऑफ क्विकली इज स्लोली. लाइक्ड, डिसलाइक्ड. फ्रेंड, enemy. Went, what is the opposite of went? Came. Okay, what is the opposite of come? Go. What is the opposite of foolish? Clever. Yes. Okay, you have to write this down on the book. Okay, now match the following and use them in these sentences of your own. For example, as dry as a bone. There are two columns given, column A and column B. You have to match this word with the correct options given in the column B. Okay, okay, let's start. As dark as night. The night is dark, so you have to match the night with dark. Okay, as good as a gold, as sweet as honey, as hardworking as a donkey. Okay, now move to part C, learning about the languages. Complete the following sentences in your own words. These are the sentences given and you have to complete them. These sentences are taken from the poem. Okay, Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. When the autumn comes, let us all give praise. I shall go when spring arrives. When he returns, tell him to see me. Okay, you have to use these words to complete these sentences. Okay, move to part D. Find the rhyming words. Do you know what are the rhyming words, class? The words with the same sounds are called the rhyming words. Okay, the words whose pronunciations have or the sounds are same are called the rhyming words. Okay, you have to make the rhyming words of these words. Okay, first word is neatly. Okay, what is the rhyming word of neatly? Sweetly. You see that the sound of both the words are matching each other. Neatly, ly, sweetly, ly. See that the word sounds are same now. So those words whose sounds are similar are the rhyming words. Okay. Second word is banks, thanks, light, might, haze, days, roots, fruits, rolled, hold, dream, seem, few, new. You can make your own words. I have made these words. You can also make the words on your own if you like. If you think about it, you think about the new words that you can think, and then you can also write those words. Okay, leather, weather. You see that you are saying that the sounds are very similar of both words. Okay, so these are the rhyming words. Okay, class. Bore, for, leap, keep, fair, there. Okay, class. I hope that you understand this exercise and you have to solve it on the book except the question answer part that I will give you as a picture, and you have to write them down on your notebooks. Okay, class. Okay, I'll give you an activity on the other page, page number 13. Which season do you like the best? Which season do you like? Do you like autumn? Do you like spring? Do you like summer? Do you like winter? The season you like the best, you have to write it there. I like the spring season the most, and you have to draw us a big picture about it. It is a very interesting activity. You will enjoy drawing it, you will enjoy coloring it, and you will enjoy writing it. Parents, please help the child to complete this task. You have to done it on your book. Okay, class. I hope that you will do your work very goodly, very good, and you have will complete your work on your notebooks. Okay, class. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much. Do your work correctly. Understand? Thank you very much.